In this video, I want to explore the impact of copying material in repeatedly from a previous run of a course versus importing material from an IMSCC file multiple times to see what impact that has. Here we're looking at a prior run, a spring 2022 run of SC115. I'm going to take this assignment and copy it forward to my sandbox demonstrator. That will start. It won't finish necessarily right away, but I'll go ahead and close that. Over in my sandbox demonstrator, you can see I currently have a single temporary course here. Let me refresh and see if that's come over. And it has. It's come over as an imported assignment, Vegetative Morphology Leaf Hunt. Let me do the copy again. That's the point of this exercise. Let me go ahead and do the same thing. The same copy to copy. We'll say it started. I'll again close this. Give it some time. And let's see if it's come in yet. Well, I'll have to check later because either it hasn't come in or it overwrote this assignment here. Let's have a look at the assignment number here. This is currently assignment 7. This is the assignment ID at the back, 1775. Back here, that assignment is a different ID number. So these ID numbers are not identical. That's the course ID, the first number. The second number is the assignment ID. So if it is indeed overwritten, it has overwritten it under the new number. But it does appear to have simply overwritten it. In fact, maybe I can show that it's done that. Let me go into this. Let me edit this. Let me try taking off the word hunt. Say save. I've removed the word hunt from the back. Come back here. It's a kind of exploratory video. Bear with me. Copy to. I think I can do that from here. The same thing. Notice this one has the word hunt on the end, a word I deleted here. Let me come back to the assignment screen itself. The word hunt is still missing. Let's do it again and see what happens. Well, if it's overwriting, then it's not overwriting with it's retaining the title. So what actually is happening is not entirely clear to me. I would have expected the word hunt to reappear on an overwrite. There it is. Oh, it took time to land. What I've done is I've replaced my edited assignment with the old assignment. So on copy, you get overwrite. On copy, you definitely get overwrite. Now let me try something a little different. Let me go down to the settings, and this will take time. I should do an edited high-speed version of these. I'm going to tell it to import course content. And I'm going to select an IMSCC common cartridge file, much as I might do if I was bringing something in from another platform. Let me get back to my desktop here. There's my IMSCC cartridge. Now in this case, the IMSCC cartridge is coming from my, bring in all the content. I'm going to leave all the options alone. It says it will overwrite any existing content in the course. So I'll go ahead and import it. I don't much care. It's my sandbox. Alright, it's running. My sandbox is a pretty small, lightweight little course. We'll give it some time to run. And it's completed. Alright. Let's go see what's happened over in assignments now. You'll notice I have just created duplicate. It said it would overwrite. Now bear in mind that this temporary assignment is the same as this temporary assignment. That is, I exported this course and then re-imported it onto itself. It said it would overwrite. It didn't overwrite. It created duplicate assignments. The old one is this one here, this 17724 ID. The new one has an ID of 17726. That's because this guy here is probably 17725. You see that at the bottom of my screen. I'm reading the URLs that are appearing at the bottom of my screen. So, long rambling video, answer is that when you copy forward from the past, here from spring, you overwrite. If you copy something twice, you overwrite. This could cause you to lose material if you edit something here in the present course and then go back and copy that same assignment forward for some reason. You are going to overwrite it. However, if you export, which is what I did, I ran an export from down here in the course details. If you export the course content, it'll go out as an IMSCC file, and then import the course content, you get duplication. So every time you import, it'll duplicate. At least that's my experience today in this particular video, and I do thank you for watching.